It is freezing today. See the mountains of snow. But Dad insisted on grocery shopping because we're having hot pot tonight with the family and he wants to pick up some fresh seafood. So let's go get some fresh seafood. It's literally like I can't even open my eyes because it's so cold. Oh, let's go. I've got my coffee. So here we go.你可以買有 A 菜，我嘅 favorite A 菜。Yeah. And he's already gone. So many different areas to go. So cool. Oh my God. So cool, man.
啱唔食㗎啦？
夠啦！而家你買咁啊，呢間咪話你㗎啦。好咗啦。有呢度咯，你仲要人哋浸魔佢肥啦嘛，我仲要肥牛啦嘛，滑高高嘅咯，係咪呢個啊？有咪買咯。哇！呢個死高高，呢個字，呢個字，呢個牛，呀。
呢行我。
西洋菜 OK 喎，兩個半 OK。So that is our hot pot dinner tonight. So this morning, Dad said he wanted to go out to pick up a couple of things for hot pot tonight. And this is our receipt from the couple of things that he wanted to buy for hot pot dinner. LOL. When it's cold outside, the best thing to have is hot pot at home with your family. So yummy. The soup broth is packed with flavor. You toss in your seafood like shrimp, Dungeness crab. You have lots of different meat like beef and pork and lamb. You got mushrooms, vegetables, radish. Such a great variety. noodles in the end. The kids love the noodles. So everybody gets to eat something they love because you get to choose whichever protein and vegetable that you like. You toss into the pot and then you dip it into your own personal sauce that you mix up. Now mine is usually spicy with chili, crisp and peanuts, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and just a great blend of flavors to dip all this yummy food in. All the seafood was super fresh because Dan and I went early this morning to go grocery shopping to pick up a couple of things. Now, the couple of things he wanted to pick out turned out to be 3 Dungeness crabs, a big box of this jumbo lobster. You've got pork blood jelly. You got like 6 different types of vegetables and mushrooms. You've got tofu. You've got pickerel fish. Everything was super fresh. And, when you take the time to go out to buy the food and mom and dad prepares everything, and then my brother's family comes over, my sister's family comes over, we ended up with like 22 people at the table, but everyone was happy, talking, drinking, and eating, and just enjoying great time with family and great food.